Hello everyone. In this handwriting class, in this handwriting video, I will teach you how to write print writing. In print writing, small letters, how to write small letters in print writing. Okay. This print writing, small letters, mostly teachers by the teachers in the preschool classes like nursery or LKG or UKG. So I am going to teach you how to write small letter in a print writing. So as per in the earlier video, I have show you the four lines. This one is the top line, middle line, base line, down line. So we will write in between this middle line and base line. In these two lines only we will write, not in the upper line and the down line. So first we will write the letter A. For letter A, you have to make a straight line, make a curve A, a straight line, then curve B, make a curve C, straight line like number 1, make a curve D, for E, start from this point, make a horizontal line, or you can say make a sleeping line, then move up and make a letter C. This is letter E. After E, from this point we will start, move up, curve it down, straight down, make a sleeping line F. From this point make a straight line, curve it down, make G. Straight line, H. Make a straight line, make a dot I. Make a straight line, curve it, make a dot J. From upper line, make a straight line up to the base line. Now straight tilt line, then there's a straight tilt line K. Make a straight line from the upper line up to the base line for L. For M, make a straight line, make one curve, straight down, make another curve, straight down. In print writing, mostly we pick a pencil and then write. Okay. For N, straight line, then make a curve N. This is make a oval O. Make a straight line, make a curve P. Make a straight line, slanting lines, small, slightly small. Then this curve Q. Straight line and from here move like this, R. For S, start from this point, make a first curve, then a second curve, S. Make a straight line, make a line, sleeping line, T. U. V. W. Two crosses line, two cross line, straight tilt line. X. Y. Y. Z. So if you like my channel, you can subscribe it, you can comment it, like my video, subscribe my channel, and learn more and more handwriting, writing in print, writing in cursive, small letters, capital letters. All details are given below in the description box. You can visit my website also for the guidance, or you can comment me and I will give you a good tutorial on handwriting classes. Write beautifully, subscribe my channel, like my video. This is Soumya from handwriting classes.